So it is expected that the value of Dogecoin and Bitcoin is going to explode in the near future. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu is still trading sideways. In this video, I'll talk about price prediction for Doge and other cryptos while taking a peek into the latest news from the crypto world. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we move forward, I'd just like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. This will make sure that you never miss our time-sensitive updates. Now, let's get started with today's video. So Dogecoin is currently hovering around the 28 cents mark, and it is trading near the zone of the most liquidity, which means that it is accumulating power for a further sharp move. One may expect a continued rise if bulls get Doge back to the zone around 30 cents. Additionally, Doge needs to break over two resistance levels at 31 cents and 36 cents to sustain bullishness. Converting these levels to support floors will confirm the comeback of purchasing and propelling Dogecoin to over 35 cents. Besides, the increased trading volume might confirm the possible growth in the coming days. Meanwhile, crypto experts think that Dogecoin is projected to make the most money over the next 18 years, with its investment value expected to increase by 10,000%. By comparison, the value of Bitcoin is expected to climb by 290% during the same time span. However, experts believe that Dogecoin is most likely to see its price skyrocket in the coming years. Additionally, market forecasts indicate that Bitcoin will hit $85,000 before the end of the year, highlighting the currency's burgeoning appeal. Besides, Bitcoin is expected to reach a price of $234,000 by 2030, with some crypto experts predicting it may reach $500,000 this year. And talking about Bitcoin, another optimistic prediction for the price of Bitcoin is now out. Popular economist and crypto analyst Alex Kruger recently shared a positive outlook for Bitcoin over the coming weeks and months. He predicted that Bitcoin will eventually hit the $1 million price tag in the future. Additionally, Kruger said that Bitcoin could emerge as a bigger asset class than gold in a decade. Similarly, crypto analyst Plan B has updated his price estimate for Bitcoin for the first quarter of 2022 and stated that Bitcoin will see a parabolic spike, outperforming all other assets. In an interview with Bitcoin bull Anthony Pompliano, he asserted that Bitcoin might rise by as much as 700% by early next year. And now coming to Shiba Inu, it had a modest decline in the last 24 hours, as it is currently trading around $0.000056. Additionally, SHIB is now seeking to break beyond the key $0.00006 threshold. And if it is unable to close above it, it will almost certainly confirm the lower high, allowing bears to regain control of the price. While the price is now above the support level of $0.00005, a break below it will encourage bears to push SHIB lower. And at the current price level, it appears that this is a pivotal period for SHIB, and the price is predicted to bounce between resistance and support in the next few days. Now let's take a peek into some recent developments regarding crypto adoption. So according to recent reports, the Zimbabwean government is considering the adoption of crypto as a legitimate payment method to capitalize on this growing interest in leverage technology. The permanent secretary and head of the e-government technology unit, Charles Wekwete, has recently announced that they have initiated conversations with the commercial sector. He said that Africa is an ideal market for testing and implementing crypto, and many businesses are already focusing on products and services tailored to specific African countries. Meanwhile, Chainalysis data indicated that Africa would receive more than $105 billion between July 2020 and mid-2021. And the continent is the market leader in small-value crypto transactions, accounting for 7% of total volume. So it is quite clear that Zimbabwe has been one of the African countries to pay attention to its citizens' growing interest in crypto, and they have demonstrated an interest in regulating the crypto sector. Besides, there has been rising popularity of Doge and Bitcoin in the country, so it is great news for these coins. Meanwhile, London-based fintech startup Revolut is looking to hire a tech team to aid in the development of their crypto exchange. According to the official job posting on LinkedIn, digital bank Revolut is looking to hire a technology team to help the company develop its own crypto exchange. The bank is seeking people with experience in the crypto sector and demonstrated expertise in order matching engines, such as those used by crypto exchanges. This indicates that financial service firms and institutions are now demonstrating a high level of interest in the growing crypto market. And it appears that Revolut's interest in building its own crypto exchange might help the digital bank cement its position as a market leader in the crypto space. Moreover, this is going to be a great development for cryptos since it is not indicating the rising popularity of cryptos, but a new crypto exchange will also open up new opportunities for them. Major coins like Bitcoin and Dogecoin will benefit from it as they did in the past. And as per another report, Brazilian Congressman Luizão Goulart has proposed a bill to legalize crypto payments as a mode of payment for public and private sector workers. Goulart's proposal seeks a new law that allows all Brazilian workers to have an option to request employers for remuneration in cryptos. However, the bill warrants crypto payments to be made only after selling a mutual agreement between the workers and the employer. Besides, the bill highlights the evolution of finance from a barter system and fiat currencies to crypto, focusing on the decentralization aspect, which removes the reliance on a single person or a central entity. And if signed into law, this bill will establish a consensus between the workers and the employers for predetermining the percentages of remuneration in crypto and fiat. On the other hand, the CEO of Bank of America does not view crypto as a competition. Rather than that, he considers it as an asset class, adding that people like crypto for a variety of reasons. Additionally, the Bank of America executive is not the only one seeing crypto as an asset class. Goldman Sachs, a rival financial firm, stated in May that crypto is an investable asset. Similarly, JP Morgan stated in July that many of its clients view crypto as an asset class that they want to invest in. Now I think that whether you consider crypto as an asset or anything else, the reality is that people are exploring this sector and they are looking to invest in it. Hence, the future of crypto, especially major coins like Bitcoin, Doge, or Ethereum, is looking full of opportunities. Now, we know China is working on its own digital currency to counter cryptos, and according to a recent report, the Chinese central bank's digital currency, the digital yuan, has been used in nearly $10 billion worth of transactions in its test run. Additionally, approximately 140 million people have downloaded the government's digital wallet. Meanwhile, an increasing number of countries are considering establishing their own digital currencies. According to the Atlantic Council, 87 nations are currently researching the possibility of implementing a digital currency. 7 have been launched, 17 are being piloted, 15 are in development, and 39 are being researched. Similarly, according to Fabio Panetta, a senior executive at the European Central Bank, the digital euro should be an attractive payment method, but its architecture should prevent it from becoming so effective as a store of value that it threatens banks and private money. Panetta also emphasized the importance of both this paradox and the need to issue a successful digital currency for Europe. He said that as people increasingly use cash as a means of payment rather than a store of value, having a digital euro would enable them to continue using central bank money as a medium of exchange in the digital era. According to him, a digital euro and cash complement one another, ensuring that central bank money continues to serve as a monetary anchor for the payments ecosystem. And to do this, he said that the euro's digital form should be attractive for frequent payment use. So while we are seeing different countries working on their government-controlled digital currencies, do you think that such projects will be successful and can counter cryptos like Bitcoin or Doge? Let me know in the comment section below. And now, this is great news for Shiba Inu supporters since Shiba's official Twitter account has reached more than 1.8 million followers, and it has left behind Ethereum's official account, which has 1.7 million followers. However, Shiba is still not the most popular crypto on Twitter since Dogecoin's official Twitter account is followed by 2.4 million individuals, and Bitcoin's account leads the list with 3.6 million followers. And now coming back to Doge, experts say that to initiate an uptrend from its current position, Dogecoin must breach the price hurdle of 34 cents. According to analysts, this barrier can be converted into support floors, signaling the start of a rebound that will eventually push Dogecoin to the 45 cents price level. Besides, in a bullish scenario, holders might anticipate Dogecoin breaking past the 45 cents price barrier and eventually reaching the 75 cents mark. On the other hand, if Doge fails to break through the 34 cents price level, this indicates either a lack of buying or an increase in selling pressure. And this could result in a bearish trend approaching the 22 cent support level. So what are your thoughts on it? Are you anticipating Doge to rally up in the coming days? Let me know in the comments section below.